YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here today with a little haul from Walmart. Got a ton of stuff, but I'm not going to show everything because a lot of this not even really crafty related. But I did pick up this digital scale, which I hope to use. It's a kitchen scale. Like even weigh packages and stuff, so I just thought it'd be nice to have that at home so I can weigh stuff and then print a label versus having to always stand in line. And so got that. And I just picked up a small little mailer pack, 4x7, 2-pack, to mail something obviously. And then I picked up a couple jewelry findings, which I've read these before, just some more repeats. The bead caps, the gold and the silver, this lighting is terrible. Some ribbon ends, the gold and the silver. Some more lobster clasps. And some more of the 3-pack of the earrings hoops. Just like this lighting is terrible. I did find a whole bunch of ribbon. They had more. I tried to get one of the different colors and stuff. So they had plenty. And they had them in gold and silver. So it was basically hearts, studs, diamonds, and squares. I believe there were the 4 designs. And so each color came in those 4 designs with gold accents and with silver accents. So it was 8 for each suede ribbon that they had. So I just got the pink hearts with the gold hearts. Again, this is suede and this is 6 feet. And I think it was $2.97. So I got the white with the silver studs. And then I got the white with the gold hearts. And again, they had these with stars, all kinds of stuff. So this chocolate, I got the hearts. This hot pink, I got these are gold stars. And this red, this lighting is like so terrible. This red are the hearts, gold hearts. And these are gold stars. And then in the black, I got it with the studs with the silver. And also got the black with the gold squares. And then this light camel colored I got with the gold squares. So I didn't get, like the red, I didn't see any of the red in the silver. Or the hot pink in the silver. Just saw those with the gold. Already got the other one. So I'm going to have to check another Walmart and I'll get some of those in the silver as well. But yeah, so I like the suede. I like the texture on it, and so I just wanted to get those. So anyway, that is my tiny little haul from Wally World. But I thought I would use these in some dangles, so and that's what I got those for. And I just thought it had that nice dimension to it versus just your flat ribbon, so that's why I wanted to get those. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.